Hello friends, welcome to Fun Learning YouTube channel. Our today's topic is attention building games. These games can help retain your child's attention for little longer span. We have various activities which can help enhance your child's body muscle, fine motor skills, cross motor skills. Similarly, we need few exercises as well as games that can train your brain as well, which will help retain attention in your child. Since children learn more by playing, it is always better to club their learning along with the activities. There are various activities readily available at each and every home which can help them retaining their attention in a better way. For example, building blocks, play doh, finger painting, stringing the beads. These are few open ended toys. These toys will definitely help them boost their creativity, enhance their critical thinking, as well as retain their attention span. Sequencing. When I talk about sequencing, it is more than a game, it is learning about patterns. By learning patterns, we understand and arrange purposeful patterns of action, behavior, ideas, and thoughts. This can be applied to our daily life also, right from alphabets, letter sequencing, word sequencing, and to sentence formation. This can be used everywhere. Another game that we are going to talk about is memory challenge game. It is very attractive game since it is colorful, it helps in visual recognition, also helps in critical thinking of the child. We have fun activities like tongue twister. Tongue twister not only helps in developing the vocabulary of the child, it is also exercise for your tongue and it makes you think twice before you speak. So, it is also a cognitive development activity. Next game that we are going to talk about is Spot the Difference. This funny game has been located in various newspapers also. It reinforces connection between your nerve cells. It is a very good cognitive development activity which will retain your child's attention for a longer span. Thank you for watching Fun Learning YouTube channel.